struggle, ugliness, and the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please.
Sanibonani, my name is Tebiso Mthatangana Mogela with channel yami nefe regular regular at T-Squad. Thank you so much for coming back by and if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T-Squad. Guys, kukhona abantu lana baningi ngiyabona ukuthi event lena, so angingilokho ngikhuluma kakhulu but ngisazomchazela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Enjoy. So yeah guys, enjoy.
For what's money without happiness? Hard times without the people you love. Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can
solving real problems. So when you solve a real problem, you must price for that problem. Because without you, there would not be a solution to that problem. So as a recap, when we are looking at profit with purpose, number one, always remember that you are solving a real problem. You are solving a real problem. Number two, know your numbers. Make sure that you are pricing correctly for that problem. If you underprice, you are going to get demotivated. If somebody says to you, this is too expensive, they can't afford, maybe you need to move from where you are selling over here and sell where people can afford. And the other thing is look for partners who can work with you. And you collaborate with them. There's a company here that's offering security services, and I absolutely love what they're doing. We're going to hear from them later. All the other different workshops, we need security. That's a partnership. That is a partnership.
Businesses. When we are thinking, we are able to make more money. So that's very good. I want to mention that we're going to be going to a networking break. During the break, the exhibitors that are here on my right, please do visit their stands. As I mentioned, the team at F&B, they are there at the back. Bathrooms for the ladies is straight on the left, and then straight on the right is the bathroom for the gentlemen. Who here knows about the F&B tool, Geo Payments? Can I see who's used Geo Payments before? Trying to think, what value can I add so that people feel that they're getting value for this price that they are paying? It forces you to think.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?